Look, I was not expecting to see this car on here ever. It's really cool to see what can you say, a not supercar or muscle car on here, and it's going against an M3. This is going to be kind of different. I can see a Type R doing good on rolling races. I don't know. This is different. Let's see. Oh.
Alright, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So, I want to welcome you guys a new car on the channel. This is a 2019 Honda Civic Type R. This car has an upgraded turbo. It's a PRL P600 turbo with full bolt-ons. Upgraded intercooler kit, intake, full turbo back exhaust system, and he's also got an upgraded fuel system, and he's running on E40. And he said on the dyno he made upper 400s to the wheels on a Mustang dyno. Now these cars are very, very light. They weigh a little over 3,100 pounds, and they are also front-wheel drive. So he's running on, I believe these are Toyo R AAA tires. Yes, they are. And he's got some lightweight wheels. Now these cars only come in manual transmissions. And that's pretty much the specs for this car. And
I definitely get that, but I wonder how much he put into it. I felt like it's like, damn, that's worth it, in my opinion. Even though you like, damn, why couldn't they like low key? What could I mean? Like, you just wish that it could come from stock, at least somewhat close to like where he got it to, 400 wheel, at least 350 wheel. Whatever. You know, these companies, they don't really care for their cars as much as you really think. They just put them out for money. That's really it. Obviously.
And he's been running up against a bone stock 2016 BMW M3.
Oh, yep. One
Now, this
slow
is a base
F80.
model. Now these cars make somewhere around 420 wheel horsepower on a Dynojet dyno stock. This is equipped with the DCT transmission. And these cars are a little heavier than the Hondas. This thing weighs a little over 3,500 pounds curb weight. And these are also rear-wheel drive. And he's got some all-season tires. Not that important because it's a stock power.
Yeah. Alright. Let's see.
And the first race we're going to do with the M3 is going to be from 40 miles an hour.
Alright.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3!
Ooh. I had a feeling that this could happen, but gosh, no I didn't. Not this much of a... I didn't think it was going to be that much of a difference. I thought Loki was going to be head-to-head again. But a Type R modified is great. Like you said, it's light and everything. I mean, I don't think you gotta... I don't know how much you put into that, though. Because it is about how much you do pay for these, like, pay for how much he got it modified and tuned. But I don't think it's that much, you know, especially to a person with money. If you're buying a car, buy it with intentions of modifying it and changing it. I actually want this Type R. I do.
Alright guys, round 2. We're going to do this from 30 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2,
3! Damn. The turbos just take over and kill the race. Damn. Like, of course if the M3 does a little bit of modification, he's gonna keep up, or he gonna do this to that Civic. But it is nice to see a stock Civic. You know, he's just gapping the M3 that stock. I mean, you would think this could be fair, but it's not. Just give that M3 a little stage 1, and we'll see how that will turn out. This was a great race. Now I actually want a Type R. I already been seeing one on my videos, but seeing what you could do and how fast it can go, yeah, I'll get one. Hey, thank you for watching. Peace.